Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a package I received. It is from Mariann's Craft Corner. She's here on YouTube. I am not sure. I did participate last month in a collaboration she was hosting along with Maria Reyes. So maybe this has something to do with that. Ooh, it shakes. Oh, let's see. Oh, look at this. Wow, girl. Thank you. Oh, it says thank you, friend. Look at how cute this is. And she has this 3D butterfly that she's layered up. I love it with all the colors. This is pretty. Oh, she's just thanking me for the support in the collabs. You're welcome, Mariann. Like I said, keep me in mind. I'm sorry I couldn't join your guys' last Pinkalicious, but I knew I was gonna be knee deep into this Halloween series. And so I hope you guys are all having a crafty day. Thank you so much, Mariann. I appreciate you and your support for my channel. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. Please consider liking and subscribing. Welcome if you're new. Thank you for coming back if you're returning. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.